Hello. Today we're going to be learning Revolve. Revolve basically means that you construct a line and then you wrap whatever shape you want around the line to make a shape. So let's make a new document. So first you go to Sketch, Sketch. You click whatever plane you want, but let's use front plane this time. You make a line. The line's going to be your axis of revolution. I will explain later. Let's click that out. And then you can make a shape to either side of it. So like, let's say you want a circle. You make a circle. You dimension it however you want. Let's say you want 1. So you click OK. Features. Revolve. Boss Base. So you click on axis of revolution and you will click the line because that's what you're going to be revolving it around. So for the selected contours, you click the circle and you're going to end up with this donut because what basically happens to it is this is the line is the center of the donut and this is wrapped around the line. So basic geometry, you will end up with a donut or a torus if you prefer. So let's say you click OK and you will end up with a donut. And let's say you don't want a donut, you can let's say you just want an open contour. That can happen too. So if you go back and edit this, I'm clicking on this thing and clicking edit feature. You will see this is 300 degrees. Let's make it a smaller degree so you can see what's inside of it. 180, let's say. So you end up with half a torus. You click OK. And you will notice that the inside of this revolve is hollow. So what you would do is, let's say you make another sketch. Let's select the plane first, so top plane, sketch, line. Say you want a line. And click yes. And then instead of making a closed shape, let's make an open shape, so like an arc. So circle. So as you can see, this is an open shape instead of closed like last time. So let's see what will happen if we revolve. So once again, the axis of revolution is a line. No, the line. Let's delete that. The axis of revolution is the line, and the contour is the closed shape. So click OK. This is basically saying that this contour will intersect this line. So we can move that outward a little bit. Okay, let's try that again. Select contour, this. And you would see that it is hollow on the inside, and this takes the shape of the line that we just sketched, and that's basically revolve boss extrude, no, revolve boss base, I'm sorry for you. and that will be it.